So YouTube actually paid me $250 in a space of 2 weeks without me even having the monetization or joining the monetization program, which is the YouTube partner program. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you exactly what I did to be able to get $250 in this YouTube space without monetization. Now, what most people know about making money on YouTube is that you need to join the YouTube partner program, which is right, but that is not the only way you can actually make money here on YouTube. And the way to join the YouTube partner program, there are some criteria, like it is by having your 4,000 watch hours and having a 1,000 subscriber account. So if you have these two things, YouTube is going to invite you to come and join the program. Okay, and then when you join the program, you keep creating videos. The more you create videos, the more they add or place ads on these videos, and then they give you a cut from what advertisers pay on these ads that are placed on your videos, and boom, that's how you make money here on YouTube through the YouTube partner program. But there are other ways you can actually make money, especially when you have not gotten to that monetization threshold when it comes to your 1,000 subscriber account or your 4,000 hours of watch time. So you can actually post just one video and then you are going to make money from it without even joining the YouTube partner program. And there are tons of ways. Now, some of the ways I'm going to talk about before I tell you the particular one that I used. Number one is going to be brand deals. Now, depending on the kind of videos that you post, advertisers can reach out to you, or brands or companies can reach out to you asking you to talk about their brands in your videos, and then they will get to pay you. So with that one, you don't need to get to the YouTube monetization threshold before you get paid for having a brand deal, or for making companies to get close to you or to get to contact you to actually do adverts for them. It is you that have to package your videos. It is the way you present your videos, some of the information that you put out there in your videos, just generally how good you are in making your videos is what is going to attract, and your views is what is going to attract brands or companies to actually pay you to advertise for them. Now, that is one way. Number two way is affiliate marketing, which is actually telling people about certain kind of products, and then you get paid, or as a commission, you get paid as commission for every time that anybody that use your link buy that particular product. Let's say, for example, you bought a camera and you have this affiliate link with the company that produced that camera. So when you talk about it in your YouTube video, and then you add a link that you already have as an agreement with the company that is producing this camera in your videos, and then your viewers click it and buy that camera, okay, when they buy that camera, you get a commission, you get a cut from what they pay. Okay, so that's another way to actually make money. With this one also, you don't need to join the YouTube partner program. You don't need to wait for 4,000 hours of watch time. You don't need to wait for 1,000 subscribers. Okay, then another one is going to be, this is the one that I actually used, is going to be selling your own product here on YouTube. Now, you can create videos about what you do. You can create videos about product that you have, that you sell. You can create videos about your business, depending on what is it that is actually going to give you that money, or what's the business that you are doing. So this is what I did. I basically posted one particular video after posting a whole lot of videos, and that was when I actually switched my niche to the kind of business that I do. Okay, and then when I did that, I posted a particular video that talked about a particular hair that I sell, because it was in the beauty niche and it was a hair. So I posted that video talking about that particular hair, how people can actually use it, how they can know the original one, how they can be able to, do a whole lot of things with the hair and everything. And under 2 weeks of posting that video, I made $250 from it. And this is how I made the money. When I posted the video at first did not even really start to build momentum. People did not actually watch the video at the moment, or as at the time I posted it. So it just started building after some days. People started watching it after some days. People started seeing the video after some days. And then after a week, somebody messaged me, because I added the link to my WhatsApp in that description. So people can actually click it and come to my WhatsApp messenger to actually chat me up about the product. So somebody messaged me a week later. The person was actually not even in my region, not even in my country. Okay, so the person messaged me talking about how to get the product and everything, and then we sealed a deal and I delivered the hair to the person. I sold one. That one cost about $120, and then the next person came after like 4 days. Then the next person came and she bought, and that was about, I think, $130, which actually made up together $250. So from just two customers, or from just two persons, I actually made $250 and I have not even joined the YouTube partner program as at the time. I joined the YouTube partner program 2 months after I had already sold those products to those customers. So you see that you can actually sell your product here and make good amount of money depending on what you are doing, depending on how good you are, depending on how you place or do the videos or make the videos, depending on what your videos are about, depending on what your need or the problem that you are solving as per your business is, depending on what your customer wants, and a whole bunch of things. So if you like this video, thank you so much. Don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. In my next video, you guys, I am going to be sharing with you how you can actually revive your old YouTube channel. Let's say your channel is not gaining momentum anymore, you post videos, you're not getting views. I am going to show you in that video how you can actually, revive your dying channel, or your channel that is not giving you any vibe anymore. Okay, you guys, will see you in that video.